Hi, Sharon. I'm going to go ahead and run through just some issues that you said that that you weren't able to find the medication, the long-term use of the anticoagulant. So let's go ahead and start with our encoder here. Keep in mind I'm in the DRG finder. I have my MIT and discharge date, female 67. And hit continue. We're going to go home. I'm going to bypass the emit for this one. We do have our code, so I'm not going to go ahead and find the first codes here, the postmenopausal bleeding. I'm going to go ahead and add the anemia code, the D62. Okay, so I have these two codes here. So now when I want to find my Z codes, so these, from what I'm getting, this is what you're having issues with. So I'm going to hit diagnosis, and I'm going to just put in long-term use. So right down here, long-term use therapy of. And it is anticoagulants. So I'm going to hit number 3, hit continue. I do not want to drug therapy. And this is the Z code that you should have, Z79.01. So let's go ahead and continue. We have the other Z code that we need to find. And with that, I am going to put in, I'm just going to put in valve. Keep in mind, you want to do a bunch of different words possibly to find. So we're going to go with um, valve and its prosthetic. Okay, associated with long-term use of anticoagulants, we're just going to put yes. And we have the presence of a prosthetic heart valve, which is my second Z code, so Z95.2. So I'm just going to hit continue, and I have all my codes here. A couple of different things. If I right click, I can go ahead and do my present on admission. Gives me my nice little thing right here. I'm going to put yes. These first two were yes. Keep in mind your Z codes are going to be exempt. So I hit OK, and that is all done for me. So if you have any other questions, let me know. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thank you.